Rajan Ghate has been on a fast for the last 8 days, demanding that governance be restored in the state of Goa and that Goa desperately needs a full-time chief minister. On the 21st, outside the residence of the chief minister, we had given the chief minister a 48-hour ultimatum to resign as chief minister. Now the deadline came to an end last night and Manohar Parrikar adamantly continues to cling to the chair. So now it's time for the citizens, for restoration of good governance, to hit the streets. Tomorrow evening, it will be launched with a public meeting right here tomorrow evening at 5 p.m. and the public meeting will be presided by Goa's well-known cardiologist, Dr. Francis Culasso. The Goa governor, who has a constitutional responsibility to have stepped in such a situation, she is silently watching this whole show while the ministers are doing whatever they want and Manohar Parrikar is fast asleep. So from tomorrow, it will not be just Manohar Parrikar, but our target will be the inaction of Goa Governor Mridul Sinha, who does not deserve to continue as governor.
दुसरे वटेन मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या भलायकेचे प्रकरण हायकोर्टात गेला. मुख्यमंत्री राज्याचो कारभार चलोवंक आनी निर्णय घेवंक शारिरीक आनी मानसीक फिट आसा म्हूण लोकांक खंय खात्री जाय. मुख्यमंत्र्याचे फिटनेस तपासपाक मुख्य सचिवान तज्ञ दोतोरांची टीम नेमची. दोतोरांचे टिमीन पर्रीकाराचे भलायकेचो मेडिकल रिपोर्ट उपरांत जाहीर करचो. गोंयकारांक मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या भलायकेचो स्टेटस जाणून घेवपाचो अधिकार आसा. मुख्यमंत्री राज्याचो कारभार चलोवंक फिट आसा म्हूण खात्री जावंक जाय. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.